A new version of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 has been the subject of much discussion over the last several months, and now I have some amazing new information that will make you want to go. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra, often known as the Z Fold 6 Slim, will have a wider aspect ratio, according to information shared by Ice Universe on Weibo. It will feature a 19.59 aspect ratio, the same as the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Yes, it is correct. As a result, the Z Fold 6 Ultra will resemble two S24 Ultras that have been hinged together. This is obviously untrue, since the Z Fold 6 Ultra will have an 8-inch inner display and a 6.5-inch outer screen, while the S24 Ultra will have a 6.8-inch display. The Z Fold 6 Ultra will include a titanium frame, according to Ice Universe. This will be the first Galaxy Z phone to utilize the material. Amazingly, the Z Fold 6 Ultra is also believed to feature a thinner body, measuring just 10 mm thick. Although Samsung has achieved some progress in making the Z Fold 6 thinner, the Ultra variant goes one step beyond. The Z Fold 6 Ultra is anticipated to have superior cameras than the original model, further solidifying its status as the pinnacle of folding phones. As is often the case with wonderful things, there are some drawbacks. In order to make the Z Fold 6 Ultra thinner, Samsung may remove the S Pen digitizer from the inside screen. This one does not include S Pen capability, which may disappoint those of you who are S Pen enthusiasts. It is possible that the Z Fold 6 Ultra will only be offered in China and Korea. Hey, there's hope still! If the phone receives positive feedback, it may debut internationally the next year, or the Z Fold the 7th of May have these fantastic improvements. Lastly, the Z Fold 6 Ultra is probably going to be more expensive given all these improvements. We are discussing amounts more than $2,000. From the looks of it, the Z Fold 6 Ultra is the ideal folding phone. Improved cameras, a sleek titanium frame, and larger, wider displays are all positive developments. It's unfortunate that the majority of us won't be able to get this phone, but we can only hope for a wider distribution in the future. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.